Dear students, in this video I explain in this video I discuss problems on equation of a parabola either in the form of y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c or y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square. So here in this problem, fit a second degree parabola y is equal to ax square plus bx plus bc in the least square sense for the following data value x value 1 2 3 4 5, corresponding y value 10 12 13 16 19. First write the normal equation using the given equation, that is y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Observe, it is very easy to write the normal equation. So first parameter is a, whose coefficient is x square, multiplied x square on both sides and take the summation, that is summation x square y, which is equal to a into x square is x to the power of 4 plus b into summation x into x square is x cube plus c into summation x square. Second parameter is b, whose coefficient is x, multiplied x on both sides, that is summation xy, which is equal to a into x cube plus b into x square plus c into x. Third parameter is c, whose coefficient is 1, so multiplied just take summation on both sides. Summation y is equal to summation a into x square plus b into summation x plus summation c. Summation c can written as nc. Here n value 1 2 3 4 5, totally 5 times is there. Okay, now using the data, first find x square y, x to the power of 4, x cube, x square, x, like that. First write on the data. X value 1 2 3 4 5, corresponding y value 10 12 13 16 19. Now add summation x 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, which is equal to 15. Summation y. Okay, 10 plus 12 plus 13 plus 16 plus 19, which is equal to 70. Okay, next find x square. 1 square value 1, 2 square value 4, 3 square value 9, 4 square value 16, 5 square value 25. Add summation x square. Summation x square value 55. Okay, then find x cube. Okay, x cube value 1 value 1, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, 5 5s are 25, 5 25 5s are 125. Now add, that is summation x cube value 225. Next, x to the power of 4. X to the power of 4, that is 1, 8 2s are 16, 27 into 3 is 81, 256, 625, that is x to the power of 4 value 979. Okay, then at last find xy value and also x square y value. Xy value 1 into 10 value 10, 2 into 12 24, 3 into 13 39, 4 into 16 64, next 5 into 19 95. Total summation xy value 232. At last x square y value, x square into 1 into 10 value 10, 4 into 12 into 4 48, 13 into 9, 13 into 9 value 117, next 16 into 16, 16 into 16 256, next 25 into 19 475. At last summation x square y value 906. Now all the values set in this 3 equation, that is a into x to the power of 4, that is 979 into a, plus b into x cube, that is 225 into b, plus c into x square, that is 55 into c, which is equal to x square y, which is equal to 906. Come to second equation, summation a into x cube. A into x cube means 225 into a, 55 into b, plus 15 into c, which is equal to xy value 232. At last, third equation is summation y is equal to a into x square. So here which is equal to a into x square means 55 into a plus 15 into b plus nc, that is 5c, which is equal to summation y value 70. Now by use all these three simultaneous equation, we have to find a, b, c value. Better use calci. It is very easy to find the ABC value, where a, we solve this equation, we get a value 0.8257, b value 0.4857, and c value 9.4. Therefore now all the value the given substituting given relation, that is y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, that is y is equal to ax square value 0.2857 into x square plus b value 0.4857 into b plus 9.4 into c. Like that we have to solve the we have to find the relation by using the given data. I take one more problem. Here fit a parabola y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square of the given data. Given data value x1 to x value 1, 2, 3, 4, corresponding y value 1.7, 1.8, 2.3, 3.2 by the method of least square. Here also first better write the normal equation. Here y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square. Here first parameter is a, whose coefficient is 1. So multiply, take summation on both sides, that is summation y is equal to summation a value na plus b into summation x plus c into summation x square. Second parameter is b, whose coefficient is x, multiplied x on both sides, that is summation xy, which is equal to a into summation x plus b into summation x square plus c into summation x cube. Third parameter is c, whose coefficient is x square, multiplied x square on both sides, that is summation x square y, which is equal to a into summation x square plus b into summation x cube plus c into summation x to the power of 4. Now call it as equation number 1. Now using the data, first find the summation y, summation a, summation x square, xy, x cube, x to the power of 4 and x square y, all the value except in this equation. Here n value 1, 2, 3, 4, therefore n value 4. Okay, now take the given data, x value 1, 2, 3, 4, corresponding y value 1.7, 1.8, 2.3, 3.2. Okay, now summation x, add the value 1 plus 2, 3, 3, 3, 6, 6 plus 4 value 10. Summation y value 1.7 plus 1.8 plus 3.2.3 plus 3.2, which is equal to 9. Next find x square. 1 square value 1, 2 square value 4, 3 square value 9, 4 square value 16. Summation x square value 30. Next x cube, 1 square value 1, 2 cube value 8, 3 cube value 27, 4 cube value 64. Summation x cube value 100. Next x to the power of 4. X to the power of 4 value 1 cube value, 2 to the power of 4 value 16, 81, 256, that is x to the power of 4 value 354. Okay, last xy. 1 into 1.7 is 1.7, 1.8 into 2 value 3.6, 3 into 2.3 value 6.9, 4 into 3.2 value 12.8. Add this value, summation xy value 25. Okay, then last summation x square y value. X square y 1 into x square y 1 into 1.7, 1.8 into 4, 1.8 into 4 value 7.2. Next 2.3 into 9, 2.3 into 9 20.7. Next 3.2 into 16, that is 51.2. Add this 4 value, simplify, here we get summation x square value 80.8. Now all the values set in the given equation here, which is equal to summation NA value 4a plus b into summation x plus 10b plus c into x square 30c, which is equal to summation xy value 9. Next a into summation x plus b into x square plus c into x cube, that is 10a plus 30c plus 30b plus 100c, which is equal to xy is equal to 25. Next, third equation, a into x square plus b into x cube plus c into x raised to 4. A into x cube, that is 30 into a plus 100 into b plus 354 into c, which is equal to x square value 80.8. Now solve this simultaneous equation. We have to find ABC value. So using the calculating, here we get a value 2, b value minus 0.5, c value 0.2. Now all the three values substituting given relation, here we get the relation equation of a parabola, that is y is equal to a value 2, b value minus 0.5 into x plus 0.2 into x square. We get the relation of the given data. Like that, we have to find the relation by using the given data. If you have any confusion or any conclusion or any confusion or any doubt, please contact me. Thank you.